Hello, grade 5 students. How are you? Welcome back to our video class. And today I'm going to give you our next lecture. And today our topic is about, okay, this is our topic today, first aid. Okay, so what is first aid first? We're going to know what is first aid. Okay, this is first aid. When someone is hurt, got an accident and got hurt, we need to do a first aid, like stop the bleeding of the wound. When someone is hurt, got a wound, and you have to stop the bleeding, stop the blood. That is first aid. The first thing that we need to do for someone who is hurt or someone who got an accident. That is first aid, okay? The first action to be done for the one who is hurt, okay? And we call it first aid, okay? So our vocabulary words for today are first, first aid kit, first aid kit. Okay, let us spell first aid first. Okay, first, F-I-R-S-T, aid, A-I-D, and kit, K-I-T, first aid kit. Okay, so what is first aid kit? First aid kit is this one, or a box. Sometimes it's a box and sometimes it's a bag, but we call it first aid kit. Okay, now first aid kit is something that contains all the things like this, all the things, okay, we need to do a first aid, and put all of them are put inside a box or a bag. We call this bag or a box first aid kit. Okay, do you understand? This is first aid kit. Okay, next vocabulary word is antiseptic. Okay, antiseptic. Now let us spell antiseptic. A-N-T-I-S-E-P-T-I-C. Antiseptic. Okay, again, antiseptic. Okay, this is an antiseptic. An antiseptic is a liquid like an alcohol that we use to clean the wound. We pour it on the wound so that we can clean it easily. Okay, to clean the wound we use antiseptic. Sometimes it's alcohol. Okay, sometimes there are other liquid cleaning agents to clean the wound, and we call it antiseptic. Okay, next vocabulary word is antiseptic cream. Okay, antiseptic cream. We are done spelling antiseptic, and cream is spelled as C-R-E-A-M. C-R-E-A-M. Cream. Again, cream. Oh, okay. So what is antiseptic cream? Antiseptic cream is like this. Like this. It's a cream that we apply on the wound so that the wound will what's this? It's a preliminary healing for the wound. The blood will stop. So we put something like this, antiseptic cream, so that the wound will be okay. Okay, antiseptic cream. Okay, next vocabulary word is scissors. Okay, scissors. Okay, let us spell scissors. S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S. Scissors. Okay, now these are, okay, we call this as scissors. Okay, scissors. Okay, now next vocabulary word is plasters. Okay, again, plasters. Plasters is spelled as Plasters. Plasters. Okay. Now, what are plasters? Okay, these are plasters. There are so many shapes of plasters. It's something that we stick on the wound so that it will be closed. Okay, it will so that the wound will be safe and the blood will stop. Okay, we call it plaster or plasters. Okay, these are plasters. Okay, next vocabulary word is bandage. Okay, bandage. Let us spell bandage. 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 Okay, repeat. Bandage. Okay, now what is bandage? Okay, this is bandage. It's like a cotton. It's like a cotton that we wrap the wound. Okay, so that the wound will be safe and will be closed. Okay, it will be closed and will be safe from infection. Okay, so we call it bandage. Okay, again, bandage. Okay, next word is cotton. Okay, cotton. Let us spell cotton. 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 Okay, there are two types of cottons. Okay, cottons. It can be cotton pads like this. Cotton pads. It's a pad. Okay, squared, and then cotton balls. Okay, cotton balls. This. Okay, we know this, right? This is we call this cotton pads, and this is cotton balls. Okay, cotton pads and cotton balls. Okay, again, cotton pads and cotton balls. We use this to clean the wound using the antiseptic, right? We pour antiseptic on the cotton balls or cotton pads, and we use it to clean the wound, right? Okay, next word is, okay, gauze. Okay, gauze. Again, gauze. Okay, let us spell gauze. Gauze. Okay, Gauze. Gauze. Okay, again, gauze. Okay, now this is what it looks like. Okay, it's like a cotton pads. It's like a cotton pads. It's a gauze, and we put it to cover the wound, and then put a plaster. Okay, to cover the wound. Okay, we call it gauze. Okay, next word is, okay, disposable gloves. Okay, disposable gloves. Okay, disposable is spelled as Disposable. Disposable. And gloves, Gloves. Gloves. Disposable gloves. Okay, it's something that we wear when we do the first aid for protection, okay, to protect us, to protect us or protect the wound from bacteria or like that. Okay, so we use disposable gloves. Okay, why disposable? Because disposable means after we use it, after doing the first aid, we dispose them. Okay, throw away, put in the garbage. Okay, so that's it. That's why it's called disposable gloves. Okay, next word is, oh, finished. We are finished. Okay, so let us repeat first. Okay, let us repeat to review our vocabulary words. Okay, okay, first is, what is it again? First aid kit. Repeat. First aid kit. Okay, next is, okay, what is it? Do you still remember? Okay, it's antiseptic. Okay, again, antiseptic. Okay, next word is, okay, again, what is it? Okay, it's called Antiseptic cream. Again, antiseptic cream. Okay, next word is scissors. Okay, again, scissors. Okay, next word is, okay, what is it? Okay, plasters. Okay, again, plasters. Next, okay, do you still remember? It's called bandage. Again, bandage. Next, okay, do you remember? It's cotton. Okay, cotton. Okay, there are two kinds of cotton. Cotton pads, this one, and cotton balls. Okay, again, what is it? Okay, cotton pads, and this is very good, cotton balls. Okay, next word is gauze. Okay, again, repeat, gauze. Okay, next word is, do you still remember? It's called disposable gloves. Again, disposable gloves. Okay, next word. Oh, finished. Now let us move on to our sentence structures. Okay, sentence structures. I'm going to ask you questions and you answer it. Okay, give me the answers. Okay, our first sentence structure is, what is it? Okay, for one, for one thing, like one. And what are they for plural? Okay, many, two or more things. Two or more things we use are, right? Just remember. And is used for one, for singular. Okay, what is it? Used for one thing. And what are used for two or more things, right? Two or more things. So what is it or what are they? So your answer will be, it's a, okay, for the, it's the answer for what is it? It's a, okay, it's a blank. For what are they? They are, okay, they are, because they are, okay, they are blank, okay. You use are for two or more things. We use is for one, okay, for singular. So what is it? Your answer will be, it's a blank, okay. What are they? They are blank, okay. For example, this one, okay. What are they? Because there are two. It's a pair, okay, right? Two. So two or more things we use are. So what are they? It's okay. What is your answer? They are disposable gloves, right? They are disposable gloves. Okay, how about this one? Now, this is only one, so we use is. So what is it? What is it? Okay, your answer will be, it's a blank. Okay, what is it? It's a gauze. Okay, it's a gauze. Next, now what are they? What are they? What's your answer? Very good. They are cotton cotton pads or cotton balls. Okay, they are cotton pads or cotton balls. Okay. Now, what is it? What is it? What's your answer? Very good. It's a bandage. Okay. Again, this one. We'll repeat. What are they? Very good. They are disposable gloves. Okay. What is it? Very good. It's a gauze. Okay. We are done with our first sentence structure. Okay. So next structure is or are. Again, is for one. Are is used for two or more things. Okay, is blank necessary in a first aid, or are blank necessary in a first aid? The answer will be, if it is yes, yes it is. If it's no, no it isn't. Okay, now if you use are, yes they are, or no they aren't. Okay, is blank necessary in a first aid? Okay, is it necessary? Do we need it? Do we need? Is it necessary? Okay, if yes, yes it is. Yes they are. If no, no it isn't. or no, they aren't. Okay. Now, let us go back to our pictures. Okay. For example, okay, is antiseptic necessary in a first aid? Is antiseptic necessary in a first aid? If yes, yes it is. If no, no it isn't. Okay, so again, is antiseptic necessary in a first aid? What's your answer? One, two, three. Very good. Yes, it is. Okay, it's necessary. We need antiseptic to clean the wound. Okay, next. Is antiseptic cream necessary in a first aid? Yes or no? Okay, the answer is yes, it is. Okay, yes, it is. Okay, now our scissors are we are using are scissors necessary in a first aid? Yes or no? Okay, the answer is yes. Okay, so since we use are, yes, they are. Okay, are scissors necessary in a first aid? Yes, they are. Okay, next picture. Okay, for example, we only use one. Is plaster only one? Only one, no S. Okay, no S. Is plaster necessary in a first aid? The answer is very good. Yes, it is. If many are plasters necessary in a first aid? Yes, they are. Very good. Now, for example, I'm going to ask you, is cell phone necessary in a first aid? Cell phone. To sa pa. Okay? Is cell phone necessary in a first aid? What's your answer? Yes or no? Very good. No, it isn't. Okay? Is cell phone necessary in a first aid? No, it isn't. Very good. Okay. Now, do you understand? Okay. Now repeat. If the question is, what is it? The answer is, it's a blank. Okay. It's a plaster. It's a It's a bandage. It's an antiseptic. It's an antiseptic cream. What are they? They are cotton pads. They are cotton balls. They are scissors. Okay? Okay, that's our first structure. Our second structure is blank necessary in a first aid? For example, is bandage necessary in a first aid? The answer is yes, it is. Okay, now, is cell phone necessary in a first aid? No, it isn't. Now, if we use are scissors or are cotton pads, are cotton balls necessary in the first aid? Yes, they are. Now, if these flowers are the or plants, are plants necessary in the first aid? Yes or no? No. Okay, so no, they aren't. Okay? Do you understand? I hope you've understood our lesson for today. And thank you very much for listening and see you on our next video. Bye-bye.